When it comes to creating unforgettable meals, the right cookware can make all the difference. This made-in-4 quart stainless steel saucepan isn't just another pot. It's a professional-grade kitchen essential designed to deliver top-tier performance. Crafted in Italy with 5-ply stainless-clad technology, this saucepan combines style, durability, and functionality to meet the needs of both seasoned chefs and enthusiastic home cooks. With unparalleled heat distribution, compatibility with induction cooktops, and an ergonomic stay-cool handle, this saucepan is a game-changer. Let's dive deep into why this product deserves a prime spot in your kitchen. Key features of the made-in-4 quart saucepan. Number 1. Superior 5-ply stainless-clad construction. At the heart of this saucepan lies its 5-ply stainless-clad construction, which sandwiches layers of premium metal for optimal heat conduction and distribution. This feature ensures that your sauces, soups, and reductions cook evenly, with no hot spots to worry about. Number 2. Italian craftsmanship. Expertly crafted in Italy, the saucepan exudes precision and elegance. The brushed stainless steel finish not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also provides a durable surface resistant to scratches and discoloration. Number 3. Induction cooktop compatibility. The top layer of 430 stainless steel makes this saucepan fully compatible with induction cooktops, adding versatility to its list of advantages. Whether you're working on gas, electric, or induction ranges, this saucepan delivers exceptional performance every time. Number 4. Ergonomic stay-cool handle. Safety and comfort go hand in hand with the ergonomically designed stay-cool handle. Riveted for durability, the handle remains cool to the touch during stovetop use, ensuring secure handling even during high-heat cooking. Number 5. Perfect dimensions for versatile cooking. With an 8.5-inch total diameter and 4-quart capacity, this saucepan is ideal for a wide range of recipes. From creamy risottos to hearty stews, its generous size and depth make it an indispensable tool for any kitchen. Why choose the made-in stainless steel saucepan? Number 1. Professional-grade performance. This saucepan's multi-layered construction guarantees professional-level cooking results. Its superior heat responsiveness makes it perfect for delicate recipes like bechamel or caramel. Number 2. Built to last. Made with premium materials, this saucepan offers long-lasting durability, resisting warping and corrosion over time. It's a lifetime investment in your culinary journey. Number 3. Easy maintenance. Dishwasher safe and designed to resist stains and odors, this saucepan makes cleanup as effortless as cooking. Number 4. Multifunctional design. Whether you're simmering sauces, boiling pasta, or preparing a slow-cooked meal, this saucepan adapts to your every need with ease. Customer reviews, real experiences. A chef's dream come true. As a professional chef, I can vouch for the exceptional quality of this saucepan. It heats evenly and handles every recipe with precision. Worth every penny. Perfect for home cooks. I've been using this saucepan for a month and it's changed my cooking game. From soups to gravies, it does everything beautifully. Elegant and durable. This is the most elegant saucepan I've owned. The Italian craftsmanship is evident, and the durability is unmatched. What sets it apart? Unmatched heat control. The 5-ply clad construction ensures no recipe is too delicate. Versatile size. Perfect for both small and large meals. Stay-cool handle. Safe and comfortable handling every time. Timeless aesthetic. Elevates the look of your kitchen. Conclusion. A kitchen essential worth every penny. The made-in-4 quart stainless steel saucepan isn't just cookware, it's a transformative addition to your kitchen. With its 5-ply stainless-clad construction, superior heat distribution, and professional-grade craftsmanship, this saucepan stands out as a versatile tool for every cooking need. Whether you're an experienced chef or a passionate home cook, its durability, aesthetic appeal, and functionality make it a worthwhile investment. Designed with precision in Italy, this saucepan delivers exceptional performance on all cooktops, including induction, while its stay-cool handle ensures safe and comfortable use. From delicate sauces to hearty stews, the saucepan's even heat distribution guarantees perfect results every time. If you're seeking cookware that combines elegance, practicality, and longevity, the made-in-4 quart saucepan is an unbeatable choice. It's not just a tool, it's the secret to elevating your culinary creations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.